What's up guys?
We're back with another
video.
So today we're gonna be playing Grand Prix or Knockout Tour. So
On
Knockout
Mario
Tour,
Kart. And
Yes.
Dion is definitely not taking for ages. Dion, choose
now
something.
choose. Do I want to be a cow again or no?
Now I think
This time I want to be penguin.
Oh, he wants
And I
to
want
be
to be in a hot rod.
Just hold on a minute. Is die julle bietjie stiller?
Ja.
150 cc.
because Dion is DD.
Yes, because that is what my name begins with.
Yeah, and Dion showed his Dion jy weet die skree het jou gesig gesien.
Now let's begin the races. Begin. In the beginning. Let's begin now. In the beginning, there was a guy with a motorcycle next to me.
Then Dion took him past and was very smart. Or down, I forgot which one.
I'm a flappy penguin, flappy penguin.
The man in front of you. Ja, nee, moenie eintlik praat nie.
I'm a flappy penguin. I'm a flappy dappy penguin. Let's push. Oh no, I did a flippy flip. No, that doesn't even count because nothing happened. I just did a flippy flip.
And
Because I wanted to.
Dion.
Yes,
You have to leave. We want that. If you view this, make sure to leave a like for more awesome comments.
Content and comment on this video of what would you like us to play next.
Maybe we can play a game Dion can't even beat. Like
Maybe we can play Fortnite next time, but we're gonna play it maybe at my house, not at my friend's house.
Hi. Tomaleki.
Sorry if you didn't understand that. This guy thinks you're Afrikaans. So just
You are cuckoos.
No, you are cuckoos.
I was talking to the viewers.
Well, you were talking to me because I am the viewer. I take credit for the viewer. And don't be that mean to them.
I am Cuckoo, you are Rusu. And you are in Ivory.
Let's go! Boost! Icicles!
Comment down below.
If you're Afrikaans.
Yes.
And if you're not, say what country you're from.
Yes, otherwise I'm gonna post mean content about you.
He's just joking. He does it all the time just to get some dumb stuff.
Like whacking you on the head.
Go.
Dion is third.
I am third. Now second. Now nobody stands a chance to take me over because I'm locked in and I will beat
Dion does not have to be run over by a dinosaur.
And I will not. I know T-Rex. He's gonna eat me and my whole house because he's very big.
Comment below if you think we should make a live stream of 4 hours.
Yes, a Fortnite.
Now this game is about digging a hole.
No, this game is about Mario Kart. This game is Mario Kart.
Comment down below if you should do a live stream sometime.
If we should do a live stream sometime.
Yes, not the viewers. I can't do live streams.
Well, maybe they can, but just we don't know if they can. So that's why we're saying that. Flop. Yes, I can fly. I can fly. And
Hoe
I
lang moet ons die video maak?
Let's fly and you go. What is that? What is that? What is that?
Kom ons maak dit so 10 minute.
Let's go. 12 places or better. I can be 7 now. 9 places down and I will still be 12. Well, not 12 because I'm third. 9 places down would mean I am third. No, I'm 12 and I need to be 12 or better. No. Nobody shoot. No. Somebody take me over because I have fireballs. No. I have fireballs. Sorry. I have fire hot dogs. Why can't I turn now? Why can't I turn?
And just another thing, Dion also thinks you are Afrikaans, but he said firewars.
I know, but it's hot dogs and I just wanted to include one Afrikaans word because so that you guys can learn one Afrikaans word a day.
Yes, and
wors means hot dog.
No, wors means sausage.
Yes, sausage. Sorry. Oh no, massive monkey. Massive young monkeys in Afrikaans are named Baba Jans.
No, massive monkeys are named in Afrikaans groot ape.
No, but I named them Bob and John. That is Bob and John.
Aren't they really called Baba Jan?
Yes, but we called them Baba John and begin talking English, not Afrikaans.
Alright.
If you guys don't know, we are Afrikaans and we love that we are.
And if
I need to catch that guy.
Now Dion is a very competitive player. He will kill anybody what dares be near him.
No. What? Oh yeah, payback time! Payback time! This is for all of you who passed me. They still won't be getting. Go.